Hey guys, and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign up for Murf AI using your Google account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type Murf AI on the search bar and hit enter. Now you will be directed to the homepage of Murf AI. You can scroll down and look at the multiple features provided by Murf AI, but for now we are mainly focusing on how to sign up using our Google account, so let's focus on the nav bar. On the rightmost corner of the nav bar, you will find the sign up, and next to sign up, the login. Let's click on sign up. After clicking on sign up, you will be directed to this create account page. You can create account using multiple ways, but for now we're going to sign up using Google. Simply click on this option. Select the Google account with which you want to sign up. Allow access, that is continue. Now we have successfully signed up for Murf AI using our Google account. That is how you sign up for Murf AI using your Google account. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.